And this uses
Hello, sir. What's your
a
name?
third of an amp.
My name's Chuck Reithmeyer. How are you all today?
We're doing good. Your name's Chuck?
Chuck,
So, Chuck, where are you from?
I'm from Southern Maryland, St. Mary's County.
So, what do you have for us here today?
Producing hydrogen.
I've been working on a dye-synthesized solar battery
A
cell.
lot of people out here are trying to make it in science.
So,
Producing hydrogen is easy.
This
You
is a
go
cell?
in the net, you
That
do
is
trick
a
smack,
solar energized
you'll
battery
find it
cell.
there, and they'll tell you step by step how to build it. That's a smack move. The exact
They've
same
been trying to reinvent the wheel.
What
Something that was
can you
cheap,
use
easy to find.
this cell for?
These cells will produce electricity and hold electricity
Me
overnight.
personally, I find it
It'll hold
nice.
overnight.
That's
It will
that.
hold electricity overnight
Put in a small
with
package.
a trickle-down effect that'll last for about 3 or 4 days until it neutralizes at a certain voltage.
So that would work quite
Oh,
well.
okay.
Yeah, it doesn't matter which one because I'm not generating nothing for that.
Are your resources that you use to make this environmental
gas,
friendly?
I'm controlling the computer.
But that doesn't matter what.
Yes,
what's generating.
yes, they are, and no, they're
This
not.
will work in any car.
In other words, you have to use other chemicals that are not environmentally friendly to mix with the friendly ones to make them, to kind of disturb them to do what you want.
Call him now.
Sort of getting into this sort of
It's
thing.
both.
It's been
Okay.
exciting for us.
But all the chemicals are organic chemicals. Nothing from the petroleum as a petroleum product.
We're gonna produce enough gas for furnace,
What
boilers.
type of energy are you using?
They use a lot of
Like,
gas.
are you using the hydrogen?
That's the area that you're
Using
Exactly.
That's our expertise.
radioactive waves from the
The
sun.
gas bill
That's a standard smack.
And the prism effect that from the light sources that form the colors of the rainbow, which is synthesized solar.
So you're using synthesized?
That's for generator.
Synthesized radio electronic waves.
Okay.
That's what we're working on. We're building another type of. That's one of the
Alright,
prototypes
well,
right there.
what are you planning to turn these into?
Eventually, these will be shingles for your house, and they'll link together and form a solar panel that has a shingle across your house. These not only can operate off of the sun rays that produce the electronic energy and much more efficient, but at night the radio waves that actually are in our universe will be captured by these cells.
So it can take moonlight too?
Yeah, but they're.
Moonlight, sunlight, it works 24 hours a day, but more efficient when the sun's out.
Just like he was explaining there.
So
Hydrogen
like,
only
if it
burns
was on your
totally
roof, it
different
would be
than
like
HHO.
to warm your pool water? It'd be like a
HHO
solar panel?
burns
But your whole
It's a
roof
solar panel that
3,900 centimeters a minute.
it'll be solar
The
to
flash is so
energize
fast,
electricity to
now,
charge a battery
hydrogen
bank
and,
to use
let's
the
say natural gas,
electricity
propane,
any way
and
you
gas,
prefer.
they all burn around
Okay.
42 centimeters
I
a minute.
think I
So
understand what
hydrogen
you're
is
saying.
almost 1,000 times faster. I mean, HHO.
Would you like me to do
It's
a
even faster than
demonstration?
just regular
Sure.
hydrogen. Hydrogen has a
Okay.
production of about I think it's 75
This is a solar
to 80 centimeters a minute.
Synthesized panel that's been charging in the sunlight today. This is a mixture
In other words,
of
this
zinc
burns-
alloy,
This burns so fast and so
zinc as in a sheet of zinc plate, okay,
So it's like a
with
stainless steel
a,
plate?
no, this is zinc,
Oh, okay.
the element of zinc, okay, which is ZINC, and using a copper alloy plate on the top and bottom,
in the opposite direction.
okay. This is titanium oxide doped with glow stick dye.
Yep.
And this will be putting out and holding a charge. We are inside now. I bought it in about 20 minutes ago. and it's putting out 1.365 volts.
You can't get rid of it. There's no way you can get rid of it.
1.365 volts.
1.6.
You can't give it away. People don't want it. And glycerin is used for soap, for makeup, and all that. But it has to be what we call graded. It has to be graded for USDA. If it's not graded, 100% graded,
Get that?
then it is glycerin.
There you go.
It can't be used.
Okay, so that's that's a solar panel right there by itself. Okay, and what is that? That's 3.5 by 3.5 inch plate. Okay, and it's putting out.
That is a controller for the computers. It actually, what it does, it takes the signals from the sensor and it processes the signals.
1.305 on the second test. This is another dye synthesized plate. This has an element attached to it that's a photovoltaic element.
And it tells it dump more fuel into the car. That's what's happening.
And this plate's been also charging outside. The combination is an oxidizing by burning the copper plating and putting an oxidation on it. And what was our reading there?
I cut the wire from the sensor, right?
Our reading is 1.7.
Then the wire coming out back to the sensor, which would be the orange.
1.70.
To the other side of that wire.
So as it's cooling, it went up.
That's it. You'll use
That's
that with
good.
each oxygen sensor.
Okay.
And you'll take
And
the
these
signal
plates
from the map.
are
Actually, you don't need the signal. You
copper.
just take one from the map.
both bottom paint, that's copper oxide and zinc.
So basically
And-
you're cutting 3 wires and joining them to my box.
And it has an output and does charge outside. It's putting out .040 inside at this time. And this is the same copper oxide with Reynolds wrap,
So in other words,
which we have an electrolyte underneath of that.
It's a power that's powering my box. So once you turn that power off, it's going
Has a
to go off.
titanium coating,
No, it works with any unit because all
has
I'm
a
doing is taking
titanium
power.
coating
Let's say you have the ground connected. and
on
you
the
have
back
power
of it,
that you turn it on with a switcher.
which is an exciter, and the sun creates a radio frequency in order to capture the electrons.
Joe Shea, how are you doing?
Where did you get any research that you used?
The internet.
Any
I do all my-
special website?
Oh Lord. Look up dye synthesized solar cells
Any car out there, up to the maximum
on Google it.
to assist, yes. If you're putting more
Google
than
dye
that, then you'll
synthesized solar
overpower the
cells, and
gas.
that'll explain exactly what they are, what they do, and how they work. The most important feature of a dye synthesized solar cell is using a
Now, if you
linger.
have a
That's
diesel, if you have a diesel tractor
Lignard.
trailer,
Using a linger on your material, on your plates, to keep from the electrons disseminating the plates. Such as in the old painter's world, you can use cadmium sulfide as a linger on plating your plates to keep the electrons from eating them up.
yeah.
And you can use grit dye as an electron
This is on an assistant.
on the zinc side.
Okay, well this is really cool. We're gonna go around and get a few more people. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you so much. You've all been so kind. Thank you.